It's the first day of your period, and a lot of people will have a lot to say.
Maybe you should sit this one out.
Don't make it that obvious.
नेक्स्ट टाइम इन चीजों के लिए पापा को परेशान मत करना.
You were white today.
Now imagine if instead you heard,
Do you want to talk about it? अच्छा पैड या tampon?
स्टेनी तो है.
I promise you, periods are normal and it's going to be okay.
Just call it a period.
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 Periods are normal. Society is strange. It's bloody natural. Let's take a pledge to end period shame.
I think the fact that the Body Shop has gone with the hashtag Bloody Natural is a very unique idea, and the fact that they have portrayed a lot of different things that women go through during periods. Like first is a father buying a set of sanitary napkins and not being able to work out or exercise, and the not being able to hide when you have a stain on yourself. And I think those ideas are very good, and I think it is menstruating should be made bloody natural. And fathers buying you your sanitary napkins is, I think, something is very natural, because in my family, I remember, I think we were not in India, we'd gone abroad, and I forgot to carry stuff for myself. I forgot to carry sanitary napkins, or because I wasn't really sure about my date. My father went and bought me sanitary napkins from the departmental store, which was right next to our hotel where we were staying. And in my family, we discuss about it. My father comes and tells me that it is normal. You'll be okay, and it's a few days, and I know you're in pain. So he really cares about the fact, and he tries to do something. If he can do something about it. And not just my father. I have a couple of boy dash friends, not boyfriends, but I have a lot of male friends, and my male friends also, they text me and they tell me that what can we do for you, and if you want, you can call us if you're in a bad mood. And sometimes they even send me chocolates and everything, which is I think very sweet. And that the boys have also started adjusting to the fact, or maybe started realizing the fact that this is natural. So I think with that, it is a great concept.
So, talking about my family, I have never been able to talk about this with my dad, though my brother is quite open about it. Not quite open, but he knows everything. He helps me with everything whenever I'm on it. He cares for me a lot. But I don't know why I have never been able to talk about it with my father. Neither my father, initiated these kind of things. And he even, it's quite shocking, but my mother is really shy about it. I don't know why. I have no clue. So,
in my family,
yeah.
In my family, my mother is a little strict one, right? So she it's just periods, okay? You can do your work when I'm in a lot of pain, okay? So she'd be like, it's just periods, you can do the chores, and it's nothing, you have to sit. And also she really makes me be active during my periods. So, and I mean, of course, she scolds me for having a sedentary lifestyle during periods. So she says that you have to move around, it'll help you with your pain and stuff. So she doesn't really coddle me on it. My dad does. My dad really coddles me, but not my mom.
My mom has always been very shy about it, and even when I got my first period, my mommy was the one who was telling me all about it. She told me everything कि कैसे करना है, क्या करना है. So it was quite a hard phase for me that my mother is not able to talk about it with me. I mean, why is that?
Even the boys are getting more normal about it, and we are talking about it in the public. The normal generation, our generation, is getting pretty normal, whereas our mothers and fathers are still somewhere in the same situation. Even though we we talk about it in front of them, but still, it's getting pretty normal.
And that is what I think they should be shown, that the heating pad works, and they should show how to fight these issues, for young girls. So like a girl who's 12 or 13 years of age, they should show information that okay, if you get your period, it is normal. It is normal to discuss about it. It is normal to talk to your to the men in the family about it. I'm a very rebellious kind of a person. I'm not sure many people know this, but I remember back in college, not in college, maybe in college, I don't remember. So I asked for a sanitary napkin, and this guy gives me a newspaper. He tries to wrap it up. I say, no, I don't want it in the newspaper. You give me just a packet. I'm very rebellious about these things. Okay, I'm carrying the packet and walking, very comfortably, and with the packet in my hand, and it's all going through everywhere. And this is in a very, very public place. Somebody comes and tells me that hide it. I was like, I'm not gonna hide it. You have a problem, you don't look. I don't have a problem in carrying it. If somebody has a problem, they can give me all the looks they want, or they can just avoid looking at me, because I'm not going to hide it. I'm going to carry it. I'm going to take it to the room. I'm going to take it to the washroom. I don't care, because it is nothing to be ashamed of.